Auf Deutsch? I don't know. Our contribution to the Danish Pavilion is an urban study we're doing for 10 different municipalities in Greater Copenhagen and the Idee Foundation called the Loop City. And essentially Copenhagen is planning a future ring line as a train line that's going to connect the sort of the north of Copenhagen with the south of Copenhagen from coast to coast. And we've done a study on how can this infrastructural investment be used to sort of create a new form of urbanity. Because Copenhagen already has like a series of urban developments. And if you look at the projected future growth of Copenhagen until 2050, we would actually be able to accommodate all of the extra urban growth in this region. So we made a study on how this train line could not only be the physical infrastructure for people to move around, but could also be the infrastructure for like a recreative spine of parks, a sort of a blue infrastructure for like organic cleaning and maintenance of all the water, and energy infrastructure in general. Sort of, we could essentially try to solve the 10 biggest challenges we see for the future of Copenhagen in a sort of single urban development. And then as a sort of bonus to our clients, we propose to not only look at it as a ring city of Copenhagen, but to zoom out and look at Copenhagen and Malmö, so southern Sweden and eastern Denmark, and consider it a sort of a bi-national metropolitan region. To have something to point at, we threw in a few examples, but it's still at the stage of sort of strategic planning.